Hi guys, good day. It's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class, it's all about solve problems involving triangle similarity and right triangles. So without further ado, let's do this topic. So let's start with number 1. If triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are similar triangles, the length of the two sides of each triangles are shown. So we have given side AC and side AB are shown. Side XY and side ZY, that is 8. So you are told to find the length of the third side of each triangle. So you're told to find A and you're told to find Y. Now once again class, if the triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional. So we can create proportion that this side AC over line segment AC over line segment XZ, okay, XZ is equal to line segment AB over line segment XY is equal to line segment CB over line segment ZY. So I hope you remember class the triangle, similar triangles. If you want to learn more about similar triangles, I will just put the link on the description down below. Once again class, the ratio of their corresponding sides are proportional. This side over this side will be equal to this side over this side and this side over this side. So to find Y, we can use this side over this side, then AB over XY. Because we only have one unknown, that is Y. Right? So we can use AC over XZ is equal to AB over XY. So we can use that one to find Y. Let's try that. Okay, so this will be AC, line segment AC over line segment XZ is equal to, so once again, this side over this side is equal to this side over this side. So AB over XY. So to find the value of XZ, so once again, XZ is Y. So AC, substitute the value. AC is 9 over XZ is Y is equal to AB is 6, XY is 4. So cross multiply to find Y. So we do cross multiplication. Alright, so this will be 9 times 4. So 9 times 4, let's multiply it directly. 9 times 4, that is 36. Equals 6 times Y, that is 6Y. And to get the value of Y, you divide both sides by 6. Divide by 6, cancel this out. 36 divided by 6, that is 6, is equals to, then we cancel this out, simply copy Y. So therefore, our Y is equals to 6. So this Y will be equal to 6. So this is 6. So we're told to find A. So next step, we're told to find A. So once again, class, you pause the video. This will be the answer for Y, that is 6. Alright, so next step is we're told to find the value of A. So to find A, we can use this side over this side because we already have Y. And this side, CB over ZY. Once again, the ratio of this side over this side is equal to the ratio of this side over this side. AC corresponds to XZ, CB corresponds to ZY. So we can use that ratio class to find the value of A. So this will be AC, line segment AC over line segment XZ is equal to line segment CB over line segment ZY. Alright, so AC is 9. So this is 9 over XZ is 6. We already have the value of Y, that is 6, is equal to CB is A and ZY is 8. Alright, so cross multiply to get the value of A. So cross multiply. We just answer it directly class because we don't have enough space. So 9 times 8, that is 72, equals 6 times A, that is 6A. Now to get the value of A, you divide both sides by 6. Divide by 6, cancel this out. 72 divided by 6, that is 12. So therefore, 12 is equals to A. So 72 divided by 6, that is 12, then copy A. So 12 is equals to A, therefore our A is 12. So our A is 12. That's it class. This is the answer for number 1. Alright, so let's try another example, solving problems number 2. Number 2, a 22-feet building casts a shadow that is 10 feet long. At the same time, a nearby tree casts a shadow that is 5 feet long. How tall is the tree? So once again, you need to understand this one, class. The next step, you draw the illustration. So we have given 22-feet building. So if this is the building, let's assume, class, that this is the building and the height is 22 feet. So this is the building. The height is 22 feet, so this is 22 feet. And it casts a shadow that is 10 feet. So assuming that this is the shadow of this building, so you can actually draw the building there on the bottom part because this is the shadow. So you can draw this one as the shadow. So once again, we have given building that is 22 feet and the shadow that is 10 feet. So in this scenario, class, based on this given illustration, we can form a triangle, right? If we connect this one, this will be a triangle. Alright. Now at the same time, a nearby tree casts a shadow that is 5 feet long. How tall is the tree? So let's draw a tree nearby. So nearby this building, we have a tree. So if this is the tree. Okay, this is the tree. And of course, we're told to find the height of the tree. And this tree casts a shadow. So there's a shadow, this one. This will be the shadow of the tree that is 5 feet long. We're told to find this height. So as you can see, class, based on this given illustration, we have the building. It casts a shadow that is 10 feet. And we have a tree nearby. It casts a shadow that is 5 feet. Based on this given illustration, class, we have a triangle. Now, if these triangles are similar triangles, okay, if these triangles are similar triangles, we can create proportion. The ratio of this side over this side will be equal to the ratio of this side over this side. So once again, we can find x by making proportions. Ratio of this side over this side is equal to this side over this side. So that would be 22 over x is equal to 10 over 5. So once again, the ratio of this side over this side. So the big triangle and we have the small triangle. So this side over this side, the shadow over this side. The shadow of the building and the shadow of the tree. Height of the building, height of the tree, shadow of the building, shadow of the tree. And then we cross multiply, class. Cross multiply. So this will be 10 times x or 22 times 5. Let's have this one. 22 times 5 is equal to 10 times x. So 22 times 5. Let's multiply that. 22 times 5. 5 times 2, that is 10. Carry 1, 0, carry 1. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So this will be 110 equals 10x. And then to get the value of x, you divide both sides by 10. Divide by 10. Cancel this out. 110 divided by 10, that is 11, is equals to x. Therefore, this x, class, is equals to 11. So that would be 11 feet because the units here is feet. That's it, class. That's the answer for the height of the tree. So therefore, the height of the tree, or how tall is the tree, that would be 11 feet. X is equals to 11 feet. That's it, class. That's the answer for number 2. Let's try another example, class. Number 3. A ladder 13 meters long is placed on the ground in such way that it touches to the top of the vertical wall 12 meters high. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the bottom of the wall. Once again, class, you need to understand the problem. After that, you need to illustrate. So, once again, we have a wall. So, 12 meters high. So, this is our wall. 12 meters in height. So, the height is 12 meters. And we have a ladder touches on this wall. So, this is the ladder. And the length of the ladder, class, that is 13 meters long. So, the length is 13 meters. This is 13 meters. And we're told to find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the bottom of this wall. Okay, you're told to find this distance, class. This one. You're told to find this one. The distance from the foot of the ladder. Okay, distance from the foot of the ladder to the bottom of this wall. So, find x. Now, once again, this triangle right here is a right triangle. So, because we have a vertical line, and this one is a horizontal line. If we connect this line, these lines are perpendicular. It forms 90 degrees angle. Now, if this is 90 degrees angle, therefore, we can find this side using Pythagorean theorem. And the formula, that would be c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. And c, class, is always the longest side. This 13 is the hypotenuse, class. Always the longest side. So there's 13 right here is our c. So this will be our c. That is 13, always the longest side. For a and b, you can have this as your a, or you can have this one as your a. It depends on you, class. You can have 12 as your a, or you can have x as your a. So let's have 12 as our b, and this x will be our a. So c squared, substitute the value. This is 13 squared equals, our a is x, so x squared, plus our b is 12, 12 squared. So 13 squared, this is 169. It means 13 times 13. It's not 13 times 2. It means 13 times 13. That would be 169 equals x squared plus 12 squared. It means 12 times 12. That is 144. And then we transpose this 144 from right to left. So this will be 169 minus 144 equals x squared. So subtract 169 minus 144, that is 25, equals x squared. So to get the value of x, you extract square root both sides, cancel this out. And the square root of 25, that is 5. So 5 is equals to x. That's it, class. Therefore, this distance, class, is equals to 5. Alright, so this is 5. Of course, do not forget the units, class. It should be 5 meters is equals to x. Do not forget the units, class. Always remember the units, class. So the distance, that is 5 meters. That's it, class, for number 3. So let's try last example, class, number 4. Alright, so last example, class, number 4. Find the perimeter of a 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees triangle whose shorter leg is 8 centimeter. So you have here given right triangle, and we have 30 degrees, 60 degrees. Once again, where to locate, sir, the shorter leg? The shorter leg, class, is opposite of this angle, 30 degrees. So opposite of this angle, 30 degrees, this will be our shorter leg, and it is given. So we have 8 centimeter for the shorter leg. Therefore, opposite of this 60 degrees, this will be our longer leg. And opposite of 90, this will be our hypotenuse. So once again, class, if the given is shorter leg, it is easy, class, to find the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is twice the shorter leg. So if this is 8, just simply multiply it by 2, and our hypotenuse is 16 centimeter. Once again, the formula of hypotenuse, that would be 2 times the shorter leg. Since we have given shorter leg, that is 8, so 2 times 8 centimeter, our hypotenuse, that would be 16 centimeter. Now, to find the longer leg, so longer leg is equal to square root of 3 times the shorter leg. So, square root of 3 times our shorter leg is 8 centimeter. So, square root of 3 times 8 centimeter, that would be 8 square root of 3 centimeter. Once again, class, square root of 3 times 8. Do not multiply 3 and 8. It should be the number 1 outside this radical symbol. So, 1 times 8, that is 8. Then copy square root of 3. So, 8 square root of 3 centimeter. Now, you're not yet done. Once again, our longer leg is 8 square root of 3 centimeter. You're not yet done because you're told to find the perimeter. And the perimeter is the sum of all sides. So, perimeter of a right triangle, that would be side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. So, our first side, that is 8 centimeter. So, 8 centimeter plus, so we have the hypotenuse, that is 16 centimeter, 16 centimeter, plus our longer leg, that is 8 square root of 3 centimeter. Alright, so this will be, once again, class, we can only combine the whole numbers. We cannot combine this 16 and this 8 containing radical symbol. Only this one, class, 8 and 16 centimeter. So 8 plus 16 centimeter, that is 24 centimeter, plus, copy this one, 8 square root of 3 centimeter. That's it, class. That's the answer for this number 4. Or you can write this one as a whole. 24 plus 8 square root of 3. Then you put parentheses, then centimeter. Right? You can write that one, class. That's okay. Or you can have this one, class. 24 centimeter plus 8 square root of 3 centimeter. That's it, class. That's the answer for number 4. So I hope you learned something new today. Now, if you like this video, class, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. You have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.